This would be a short video showing how to clone the settings of the television on this A-Series model TV. You will initially want to set up a TV the way you want it with the speaker settings, channel programming, and once you have it set up the way you want, then you can take the thumb drive and enter it into one of the slots on the back of the TV. Once you put the thumb drive into the USB slot, go into the menu, select Features, press OK. Go down and press OK. Arrow down to Hospital Mode, press to the right or OK to select it. Now arrow down to Export Database. You want to export the information from the TV to the thumb drive. Press OK. And you get the message Export Database OK. So the settings have been stored on the thumb drive. You can press Setup to exit the menu, remove the thumb drive, and take it to the first television you want to set up. So the settings should be on the thumb drive. We take it to a TV that is new out of the box or needs the programming. When you put the thumb drive in the USB port on the back of the TV, the menu will come up and it should give you Import Database, so you can import those settings onto the TV. Press OK to select it and wait. It's telling you that it's working, and it should power down on its own when it's set after it's loaded. Once it powers down, you can remove the thumb drive, turn the TV on, and verify you have your settings.
I don't think about what I've got myself into, and it's so...
And we have our channels.